How you going? Welcome back to another episode. No fishing this week. It's blowing 35, 40 knots out there. She's pretty wild. So instead, I'm going to do a little bit of a cooking segment here. You would have seen a few weeks ago, I got that big Mackie out with Brittany on the boat. Got a smoker out here and I'm going to do some smoked mackerel. I got me ingredients here. Just smoked paprika, chili flakes, onion powder, garlic powder, soy sauce, ABC sauce, Worcestershire garlic, brown sugar and salt. And in here there's a bit of water and there's the mackerel there. So I'm just going to pretty much put all them ingredients into there and brine it overnight, and then and then tomorrow morning I'll chuck it in the smoker, cold smoke it for a few hours, and yeah, it should be good to go. Right, I'll set you up there and you can watch me put all the ingredients in. Actually, first I will roll on the footage of me catching the mackerel so you can see that if you haven't seen it before. Righto, I'll see you back here in a minute.
He's on.
Fish on. Could be the mackerel we're after. Could be a tuna.
What is it?
It's a mackerel.
It's a mackerel.
It's a Spanish.
Oh!
That's too big for the net. That's exactly what we're after. There's a little gaff in there.
What's a gaff? This thing?
That's him.
Oh, he did it.
Got him.
Bring it up, babe.
Alright, move that net. Get careful with your feet. Yes! Careful.
I'm careful. You be careful.
Woo! That's what I'm after. I love it when a plan comes together. This is what we come out for. Big Spanish mackerel. Probably a bit over a metre. Metre 15 or something to the end. That's him there. Yee-hoo! Big Mackie! Beautiful. Rightio. So, ingredients. I'm pretty loose with the measurements, so I'm just going to do little bits and that. Little bits of this and that. A few squirts of Worcestershire sauce. That'll do, eh? Bit of this ABC sauce, sweet soy. About that much. Soy sauce. A little bit of this in. That will do. Garlic powder. And quite a bit of this in, I reckon. About that much, I'd say. Onion powder. Same thing. Just shake the shit out of it for a bit. That will do. Chili flakes, not too much of this because I don't want to be too hot, but that'll probably do. That might even be too much, but it's too late now. And smoked paprika, just slam a bit of that in there. Cool. A little salt, just a decent pinch of salt. Everything, all them ingredients are salty as anyway, so you don't need much. Garlic, what's that, tablespoon? Ooh, fresh one. That's probably enough. One heaped big tablespoon of that. And the main ingredient, brown sugar. Now, I'm just going to put a bit of this in, quite a bit. This is sort of your main thing. Now, brown sugar. Not easy to get out either. And then that'll do. Couple 100 grams. Right, I'm going to mix this all together You probably don't have to see that. I'll cut up the fish and put it in there. Alrighty, I have gone ahead and cut up all the mackerel. There it is there. Probably, I don't know, kilo, maybe a bit more of Mackie. And this is all the mixed up brine. Just going to chuck the mackerel in there, obviously. Close the lid, put it in the fridge. 24 hours or so. Should be good. Well, it won't be 24 hours. It'll be 12, maybe a bit more. But it should be alright anyway. I think it's recommended 24 hours or around there. So, here we go. Alright, mackerel going in. Alrighty, there you have it. The Mackie is all in. As you can see, it's mostly all covered. These bits that are out, I'll probably turn them when I wake up in the morning or throughout the night. But yeah, I'm just going to chuck that in the fridge there. And yeah, it'll just do its thing overnight and should be good to go for the smoker tomorrow morning. Rightio, I will see you then. Good morning. The mackerel has been marinating for about 12, 13 hours or something like that, so she should be alright. Got the smoker on, just heating up. I'm just going to cook it at 66 degrees. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, 66. She's just heating up now. I haven't actually looked at the mackerel, so I'll have a bit of a look what we're working with here. Lovely, absolutely lovely. Rightio, I'm just going to transfer it from the little marinating tray there to this cooking rack. You see ya? Just sits in the smoker. Chuck it in there, and then yeah, leave it for a couple of hours. It should be good to go. Alrighty, there she is, all laid out. Looks really nice. Looks really nice. Right, I'm just going to chuck it in the smoker. I'll set yous up here or something. We'll see how we go. Alrighty, fish is in. As you can see, it's good to go. See this little probe here? Just put this in the middle of it all. About there. Wire out of the way. About there. And that tells me the actual temperature that the fish is copping, because sometimes this isn't real accurate. Like look, you see it says it's 60 degrees, but the probe's at 36. So that'll tell me the actual temperature of what the fish is cooking at. Righto, we'll close him up. And there we go, she's on. I'll check the time. I think it's about 10 o'clock, so I'll check the actual time and I'll let you know how long it takes, but we'll probably check it every hour. Alrighty, so I accidentally stuffed up the temperature. You're not meant to cook it at 60 degrees, but you're meant to cook it at 93 degrees, or between 93 and 107, as you can see here. That's the two temps, 93, 107, so just put it on 93 degrees. I thought 60 was a bit too cold, and I was right. So yeah, 93, not 60. Alrighty, it's been a bit longer than an hour. The GoPro was glitching out. Fucking dogs.
What a good throw.
Yeah, the GoPro was glitching out, so yeah, we've turned them. Show you. Looking pretty good like this. Little ones like this are probably nearly done. But the bigger, thicker ones like that one probably got a bit longer to go. But it looks pretty good. That one there would be cool.
They're all soft when I turn them.
That one's good. Probably give it a bit longer. That little one is just a little thin, so it'll cook a lot quicker than the rest of them.
So.
But yeah, looking good. Give it. What time is it?
I don't know what.
It's 11:30. So they've been in there for an hour and a half. We'll give them till 12. See what they look like. I reckon the smaller ones will probably be done, but the big ones need a bit longer. But looking good so far, mate. Alrighty, it's 12 o'clock. We'll have a look at this now.
Ooh, it looks good.
Looking a bit better, eh?
I think they're ready for.
I can fucking smoke burn your eyes, eh? Oh, God. Yeah, I reckon the smaller ones are looking probably pretty good.
I reckon that big one's ready though.
Look at that.
Look at that. You know what sauce would go really well?
Creepy.
Creepy, and I reckon that's sweet baby rays.
Yeah, I reckon they're good to go.
Let's pull them out.
Look at that.
You can't. Look how much there is. I can have some of that.
Alrighty, there's our plate of smoked mackerel. You've seen us eating it as we're going, but I'll give you a little taste test. A little bit. No, it's really good, eh? Definitely the best fish to smoke.
I think mackerel is good in garlic butter, but not crumbed. And smoked is good. And trout is the bomb.
Yeah, we've been eating heaps of mackerel because we've been catching heaps, but that's the best way to do it, I reckon, on the smoker. Righto, I hope you've enjoyed the little cooking video. If you do like it, let me know, because I'm always cooking shit on the smoker and that. If it's not fish, it's ribs or brisket or something.
Tomorrow
Tomorrow we're doing ribs, but I probably won't film that. I'll just do this video here. But yeah, hope you've enjoyed. I'll see you next week. Catch up.